Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding or updating your email address in the BOTIM app. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or making changes, we've got you covered. First, open the BOTIM app on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Next, click on Account. After that, tap on Email. You'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Finally, enter your new email address and tap on Send a Code. A verification code will be sent to the new email address you provided. Check your inbox, retrieve the code, and enter it into the app to confirm the change. And that's it. You've successfully added or updated your email address in the BOTIM app. This ensures you stay connected and receive important notifications. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.